If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It's Day back again with another video for y'all. So as you read by the title, we are installing a wig today. I'm going to an event tonight, so I'm kind of trying to like do this fast. So I've pretty much already laid my foundation. You guys know how to, ball cap method. If you don't, then put the cap over your head. It's this wig cap right here. They're at the beauty supply store. Usually wig companies will send this to you. So you just put it over your head, cut out the ears. So I did use this GETAWAY glue to spray the perimeter, and I did one layer, use the blow dryer. So we're gonna do it again so you guys can see what I did. But yeah, I just wanted to lay my foundation so that we can start this video. So I'm going to do another layer of spray just to make sure this cap is secure, it's on here. I don't know what I'm getting into tonight, so I want to make sure my wig is super secure. So yeah, we're gonna spray it again. Also, before putting your cap on, I should have recorded that little part, but literally it took 2 seconds. So you want to make sure like your face is clean, and then use alcohol on like the perimeter of your head, because you don't want like any oils or anything under the cap, because it's gonna prevent it from sticking. So what I'm trying to do is get it more so like on my skin, because I try to like not put the glue and stuff on my edges, because my edges are sensitive. It be coming out. So I'm trying so hard. It just gets kind of tricky right here because my edges kind of like come outward. So like right here, as you see, it's just out there. Like it's weird. But yeah, so I'm trying to spray it, make sure it's super secure. And then right here, I just try to put it like on my skin, because usually with my wigs, I try to bring it down some to minimize my forehead. My forehead's really big, as you guys can see. So usually with my wigs, they are always laid like a little like here. They lay like right here. Okay, so I've taken the blow dryer just to make the glue dry faster. The blow dryer does get really hot. I feel like it helps solidify the glue a little bit better. What I'm gonna do next is kind of cut the back of my cap a little bit so that I could tie it. I really do like that method, because over time, like 2 or 3 days sleeping in the wig cap tends to like come upward. So it tends to like come over your hair, and then like when you take the wig off, the wig cap will be like up here. So yeah, it kind of just eliminates that problem. So I've grown to really like that method where you just tie the back of the cap. Now if you can sew it, that's even better. Like if you can sew the back of the wig to the back of your like hair in the back, then that's a better method, but I don't even know how to do that. So we're just gonna tie it. So what I do is take this razor. Always have a razor for your wigs. And so what I'm gonna do is take the cap in the back and just kind of like cut. I just take it and kind of cut a little bit, just enough so that I can tie it. So again, with that razor, you want to be really careful, because this razor is super duper sharp. So what I'm going to do is just lift it. You kind of want to do this slow, because it kind of gets stuck to your skin and it can hurt. So I would just say be careful, take your time, be patient. Okay, so as you can see, like this part, I lifted it up. What I'm gonna do is take this razor and just gently create, I guess, a hole in the cap. So same thing with this side, and basically I'm just gonna take it up kind of to the middle of my head, simply because I have a 4x4 part. So I want to make sure that all of this doesn't have this, so that when I part the hair, you can't see it, if that makes sense. But yeah, so everything is secure, everything is on there. So what I'm gonna do is keep on cutting this part right here and just getting it to look bald. You know what I'm saying? Like look like it's my head, So yeah, I'm just gonna keep working with it, pulling it up, not too much, but where I feel like where it needs to be cut off. So basically what I'm doing is just taking the excess, all it is, and just carefully trying to cut as close as I can without hurting myself, to get all this excess off. As I was saying, you're going to, now that you got it to where you want it or whatever, you're gonna take the spray again and do the same thing and just go over the perimeter. do next is take this even tinted lace spray. You can use foundation. I just feel like right now, because I'm kind of in a rush, this is a quicker option, but I feel like I recommend a little concealer is better. I don't know. I don't really like this one too much, but for the sake of time, I'm gonna use it. So this is the wig right here. This is her in all her glory. She's so beautiful. This wig is from Nadula. I already did a wig review on it, so it will be linked down below if you guys want to purchase one as well. So yeah, this is her, giving very much Beyonce. I always call like these type of wigs Beyonce wigs, because it's just giving Beyonce. So yeah, I'm about to place it on my head. This is me putting the wig on. So that's how it would look, and I feel like it's giving scalp as of right this second. I'm gonna take some hair clips, and this kind of helps me. These hair clips just help to get the hair out of the way so that I can focus on laying it. So pull all the hair back out of the way so that the hair is not getting in the glue. So I'm trying to do it in like sections, kind of, just to kind of like help with the process of gluing it down, because you want to glue it down in sections, not all together at one time. All right, so next what we're gonna do is take some scissors, and you just wanna like cut the wig in sections. So I'm gonna do here, and then here. So that's one, and then here, and here. So now they're all in like little sections, and it just makes it easier to glue. So I'm gonna start with the middle. I just feel like it's easier to do the middle and then go side to side, but do it as you please. But yeah, so I use my Ghost Bond still. I just feel like that's the best method for me that I found that works, and it's really secure. So I just continue to use my Ghost Bond. This glue on. So I highly recommend using a popsicle stick. However, I do not have one, so I'm about to go get like a plastic knife or something that I could just throw away. You can use the back of your comb too, like this part of the comb, but I just feel like I don't like when that glue gets on my comb, so I like to use something that I could throw away, because that glue is annoying. Got my little plastic knife, and all I'm doing is trying to smooth this glue. You don't want it to be white, you want it to dry very clear. So you want to do like a very thin layer with the glue. So yeah, super thin. I'm probably gonna do two, especially like dead front in the center. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes on the side you can get away with your little lace lifting a little bit, but in the middle, baby, like dead front and center, I think I'm gonna put definitely for sure two coats. I'm gonna put 2 coats everywhere, but I'm just saying make sure you got that front down pat, because baby, not want your wig lifting dead center in the front. You can finesse the sides, but the front, I'm saying if it's like tacky, you want it to be tacky. Not too dry, not too wet, but like tacky. So I'm gonna take this piece, make sure that it's in front, like make sure it's placed where I want it to. Now I'm taking the back of my rat tail comb and just trying to work the glue in there. So this part is glued down. I feel that it's glued down. It's very much tight, very much secure. So next I'm gonna work on this next section and kind of just go down like that. Okay, so this is the wig. Everything is kind of laid down. What I'm gonna do is take that razor again and start cutting this extra lace so that I can get ready to tie it down. But yeah, so let me do that. Like now that the lace is off, I don't know why it's kind of like drawing kind of white. I don't like that. But what we're gonna do is spray some Got To Be. It was between Got To Be and Wonder Lace Bond. I might even do this olive oil spritz, which supposedly Arrogant Tay uses this. So I might try this with the band, just so it can dry kind of clear, because I don't know what this white residue is. I don't like that, and I just hope that it goes away. So what I'm gonna do is spray the perimeter . Take this band and place it on the perimeter of the hair, just like that. So we're gonna leave that for a little bit. I'm gonna kind of clean up the area while this is laying. I'm gonna lay it on there, I don't know, for like 5 minutes or so, and then check on it. I may respray it depending on how it looks, but we're gonna try this. It's hopefully it come out looking a little bit more like scalp, because I feel like right here, you know what I'm saying, it's giving scalp. Okay, I took the clips out. This is kind of where we're at with it. I wasn't originally going to do baby hair simply because I'm wearing a hat tonight, but this kind of like borderline situation got me kind of nervous, so I don't know if I should put it in there. But right now I'm trying to like, let me go get the hat and then we'll see what needs to be done, because I just feel like if I were to mousse it and put water in it, you can't really even tell about the sides and stuff. So I think I can let this slide for tonight and then eventually do the baby hairs, because I'm kind of in a rush and I don't want to rush the baby hairs, because if you F up on your baby hairs, I just feel like the whole wig is F'd. Okay, so this is the hat with it on, and I definitely feel like it's really tight. So I kind of want the hair to like not be as big. I kind of want it to be like a little, you know, skinnier, kind of like this. So I'm just going to put some water. I wish I had a spray bottle, but I don't. So I'm just like putting water from the sink and just trying to get it damp. Especially this top. I like the bottom poofy, but the top I need it to be a little bit more on the flat side, because this hat is very tight on my head now that I have this wig on, and the big hair just doesn't help the tightness. So okay, and so with the water I'm gonna add some of this mousse, this foam mousse, to just kind of like lay it down a little bit. Yeah, this is cute. This is mad cute. But as of now, for tonight, because I'm wearing a hat, I'm going to be wearing it without baby hair. So, and I still think it looks really good without the baby hair though. I don't know, I just feel like we've gotten to this like trend and fad that every wig needs baby hairs, and that's not true. Like, I really do like this without baby hairs, and I really would wear it like this. But yeah, so if I decide to put baby hairs, then I will come back. But as of now, babes, this is pretty much the finished look, and she's giving. So this is how she's looking, very much giving Beyonce. I definitely like the scalp, like it's giving scalp, and I just like how versatile this wig is. So if I wanted to like put it up or something, I feel like, you know, the options are definitely there. So yeah, this is the finished look. If I decide to put baby hairs, then I will extend this video. If I don't decide to put baby hairs, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn that post notification bell on. So the next time that I drop a video, babes, you will be notified. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for daily content. And hope you guys enjoyed this start to finish wig install. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.